Hello, hi children. Today we are going to discuss about forms of energy. See, before going to energy, we have to learn about work. What is work? See, by applying force on an object, the object can be displaced from one position to another position. See, suppose you have to apply force like a bat. See, the ball can be moved from A to B by applying force. See, certain distance can be moved. Certain distance can be moved or displacement. Then the work is said to be done. That work can be formulated as the product of force and displacement. Force and displacement. See, that is W equal to F into S. Now, what are the units of work? Units of work. Units of work equal to, see, force can be measured in newtons, displacement measured in meters. That's why units of work equal to Newton meter. See, that is also can be said as joule. Small letters you can write them joule. Joule. That is work. Here we can thoroughly discuss about units of work. See, joule is the unit of work. This can be changed into Celsius unit, that is 10 power of 7 erg. Erg is unit of work in Celsius system. 1 erg equal to 1 joule equal to 10 power of 7 erg. 1 erg equal to 10 power of minus 7 joule. See, the work can be defined in terms of 1 electron volt. 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joule. See, 1 million electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 power of minus 13 joule. That means 1 million means 6 zeros. Actually, 1 million electron volt equal to 10 power of 6 into 10 power of 1.6 into 10 power of minus 19 joule. That's why after cancellation 1.6 into 10 power of minus 13 joule. These are units of work. Here we can also convert the joule to electron volt. 1 joule, how much electron volt? 6.25 into 10 power of 18 electron volt. Remember all of you, this is a concept about work. The dimension formula of work you can see dimensional formula of work. See, MLT. Here, mass, length, time. See, here actually that is Newton meter. Newton means kg meter square. Kg meter per second square and meter. You can see kg meter into meter, meter square, second minus 2. Kg represent mass 1, meter represent length 2, second represent 2, time, that's why minus 2. The dimension formula of work equal to say M1 L2 T minus 2. You remember. Now we are going to discuss about energy. See, energy. Energy, see, simply you can understand energy. See, all of you, in any running race, see, many participants are there. See, suppose A, B, C and D persons are there. Suppose in running race, C can run most distance. C can run most distance. That and also you can say C has a lot of energy comparatively A, B and D. Here that means capacity. See here, what is that energy? Capacity to do work. Capacity to do work. See, simply you can take another example. Any person bear a lot of weight. See, like Bahubali, that person has a lot of energy. That person has a lot of energy. Here, the capacity to do work. That's why the units of energy also same as work. Same as work. That is joule. Joule or Newton meter. See, units of energy also Newton meter or joule. Here, how many types of energy are there? Types of or forms of energy. How many forms of energy are there? 1. Kinetic energy. 2. Potential energy. See, number of energies are there. Mechanical energy, light energy, sound energy, atomic energy, see, there are many and so on. there are a number of forms of energies are there. See, first of all, you have to know about kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy? See, the energy acquired by a body by virtue of its motion. By virtue of its motion. Any object acquired a lot of energy when it comes to motion. When it comes to motion. Suppose a bullet has very little energy. If it is loaded, any gun or revolver, see, if you put on revolver or if you click the revolver, it moves with a great speed. It moves with a great speed. See, when bullet comes into motion, it has a lot of energy, and also it pierces wood also. That means it can enter into wood also. That means that it has a lot of energy because of its motion. See, any object acquired a lot of energy by virtue of its motion, it is called kinetic energy. For that kinetic energy we have also formulated, say, half into mass into square of speed. Square of speed. See, that is K equal to half mv square. Half mv square. See, this is the kinetic energy. Here mass is always positive. Mass of a bullet, mass of any object, that is always positive. Speed is a positive, and also square of the speed is also positive. That's why kinetic energy always positive. Always positive. See, here also you can describe the units. What are the units? Mass. Mass means kg. Here, what is the velocity? Velocity whole square. That means velocity units meter per second. Meter per second. That means kg meter square per second square. This is also you can say joule. This is also you can say joule. Kg meter square per second square equal to joule. This is the kinetic energy. This is the kinetic energy. Remember all of you. Next we are going to discuss about potential energy. Here same dimension formula of work to kinetic energy also. Next we are going to discuss about potential energy. Potential energy. Here, potential energy means the energy acquired by a body by virtue of its position. By virtue of its position. Position means here different types of positions are there. suppose this duster, duster, if you keep it here, there is no hurt. If you raise the duster and keep, see, drop, see, it will hurt more. That means, see, if any object is at a certain height, see, that acquire a lot of energy. That is potential energy. See, that is potential energy. The position depend on height, or if you take any spring, see all of you, spring. If you compress spring, that has a lot of energy, and also you can once again see. Already we have discussed in kinetic energy. See all of you. Bullet is there. See here, bullet is in revolve contain a spring is there. The spring is connected to trigger. See here, this has potential energy. The spring has a lot of potential energy. If you release the spring, it moves with a great speed. That change into kinetic energy. See here, compressed object also having potential energy. Another example is there. The elongated string of a bow that has a lot of potential energy. If you leave the string, it moves with a great speed. That potential energy change into kinetic energy. See, you remember that is potential energy. The different types of potential energies are there. See, basically we can say about potential energy belong to that earth, that is gravitational potential energy. This is the earth. See, objects, any object always fall on the earth. See, which force is applied on the object by earth? That is gravitational force. Due to gravitational force, the energy obtained, that is called gravitational potential energy. You know very well gravitational force formula. What is the formula of gravitational force? Gravitational force formula equal to G m1 m2 by r square. Here gravitational potential energy U equal to minus G m1 m2 by r. Here this is the gravitational potential energy. See this here negative sign. Negative sign represent this energy always pulling force. Here force applied by earth. See, this is earth. Always pulling force is applied. That's why here this negative sign, negative sign, that is attractive force. Attractive. What is that? Attractive. This negative sign shows attractive. This attraction between objects and the earth. See, similar this attraction between sun and all planets, between sun and all planets. Sun and all planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, see, like that, Jupiter. These all revolve around the sun because of gravitational force. The energy between them is called gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy. Remember. Here also you can say you can take the unit is joule, similar to watt. See all of you. Next we are going to discuss about this another form of potential energy, that is see all of you, this is the earth. Any object, if you drop see, the earth pulls that object, see, from certain height. See, that potential energy, the gravitational potential energy equal to here mass of the object. See, that object moves, that object falls with a certain acceleration due to gravity, that is g and h. You can get the formula for gravitational potential energy. This is the mgh. Listen all of the children. See, here kinetic energy, we have discussed kinetic energy and also potential energy. See, in the next concept we have to learn some other energies. See, thank you children.